All right, POV fam, we have our first order for today, and that's Starbucks. So, you guys, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, you guys. And by the way, y'all, if y'all can see, I have angled the camera down, so, you know, I ain't gonna have no issues with these people talking about recording them, you guys. And I also want to let you guys know that, yeah, I did call corporate for Panera Bread, okay? And that's what I'm going to continue to do as long as I have. If I have a problem, y'all, and I know that I'm not just coming in here to film people, I'm going to report it. Because like I said, I felt like I was harassed, which, yeah, that's what it was. But I don't come to these locations to record the people in them. I literally come to record the food, not the people. And I know y'all ain't here for the people. Y'all are here to see how I pick up this food and drop it off. Like, I don't understand why some people can't wrap their head around that. But I will be back, you guys. Everything's in? Are you still waiting on a drink? Okay. All right, guys, we're still waiting on a drink. All right, thank you. All right, guys, let's confirm this order and deliver. But yeah, guys, like I was saying, and like this lady from Panera said, she watched my videos. Well, if you're watching my videos, you're watching to see how I pick up these orders and drop these orders off, because that's the only reason why people are watching my videos. Not to see what the people inside the restaurants are doing. They're not, I know y'all are not here to, you know, watch them people in the restaurant. And I know that, because guess what? When I used to watch DoorDash videos, you guys, I'm not sitting there watching those videos just because, you know, they got people in them in the restaurant. No, I'm watching them so I can see how to pick up these orders, how to drop them off, and that's it. No one is recording for these people, trying to get these people that's inside the restaurant on video. That is just crazy. But like I said, you guys, I did call corporate on Panera Bread, okay? Yes, I did call the corporate office, you guys. They should be getting in contact with me, and I will be letting y'all know what they say exactly. And I also, you know, tried to look up the district manager's number. Yeah, so I tried to do that also, you guys, but I did not find it, which I really didn't have much time to look it up. But yeah, so what I plan on doing, y'all, and I know y'all probably just gonna tell me that in the comments, or yeah, whatever y'all think in the comments. I know I'm rambling on at the start of this video, but this is very important, okay? So what I've done is I've adjusted my GoPro so people won't feel like I'm coming in their location to record them, okay? Because I'm not. I'm coming in these restaurants, recording, picking up these orders, and delivering these orders, and that's it, okay? That is it. Like, I don't understand how some people, I just don't understand why people don't understand. Like, come on. It don't make sense to me. But y'all know what? Throughout the whole situation, and this is going to be the last time I actually discuss the situation, you guys. But like I said, I will be updating you guys on, you know, what's said, or if I or if I even get a call back or anything, you guys. So I will update y'all on that. But this is the last time I will discuss it. But yes, the lady watched my video like y'all said. Like she said, she watches my video. Then she already knew, if she got it through her big head, that I'm only recording me picking up and dropping off. That's it. Y'all employees, I'm gonna tell y'all something. Wherever I go, any restaurant, your employees does not matter to me. They don't matter to my viewers either, because they're not here to see them. They're not here to see them. Because I don't watch videos about DoorDash and stuff like that. I'm not on these videos to see y'all. Y'all don't even, the employees don't even matter. To be honest, if you want to be 100% honest. And if you don't want to, be on camera, obviously you need to quit that job, because you're on camera every single day. You don't have privacy in no restaurant. No restaurant. I don't care where you are. You don't have privacy. You are on camera. That's what I'm saying. Some people just, I don't know, understand. They just probably need to go back to school and try to, learn how to critical think, analyze, and, all this stuff like that. But you don't have no privacy in a restaurant because you're on video, okay? You're on video. That's anywhere you go. Not even in Walmart, even in the grocery store. You're on video, okay? People are watching you. People are watching you. Then she want to say monetary reasons. Honey, you're not the reason, people are over here watching. You're already going to these $1 million stores that's already making money. They just watching y'all to see if y'all ain't taking it. It's crazy. You already working in a restaurant that made hundreds and thousands of dollars and paying you the bare minimum. That's something you need to be complaining about, not me. Because I'm going to get mine regardless if I go to Panera Bread or not. That's what these people don't understand. I'm going to get mine regardless, y'all. Regardless, whatever restaurant I go. But like I said, you guys, I've, come to a conclusion. I've adjusted my GoPro. Therefore, I ain't got to worry about people thinking that I'm coming in a restaurant to record them, when obviously I'm coming in there to record myself picking up the food. It just don't make sense, It don't make sense. And if you're doing something you ain't got no business doing at that restaurant, then maybe you don't need to be there. And that's all I got to say. Yep, let's take this photo, you guys. And we're gonna leave those miserable people where they at in life, which they probably ain't trying to do nothing better than be miserable because they hate the situation of life they're living. And we're gonna stay positive over here, you guys. And we're gonna always stay positive, you guys. And that's what we do over here. We stay positive. And we're gonna get to this money, y'all. And that's all we're gonna do. We're gonna stay positive. We're gonna get to this money and run it up. And we're gonna get to 1,000 subscribers. And by the time y'all watch this video, yeah, I'm always telling y'all I'm probably on a cruise ship by now. Yeah, I'm probably on the cruise ship by now, you guys. But y'all, if y'all watch this video and I'm on a cruise ship, y'all do me a favor, okay? While I am out of the country, y'all, let me see. I would be shocked to come back with like more subscribers that I had before I left, y'all. I will be clearly shocked, okay? So that's what I want. Y'all surprise me, you guys, while I am gone for a week, okay? Y'all surprise me while I'm gone for a week. Like I said, if y'all want to see my life and, you know, my journey, my travels, and just get to know the girl behind this GoPro camera, y'all, make sure y'all check the description below and go to my vlog channel, which is called VarioX Exclusive, okay? Over there, you're going to get all the exclusive content, you guys, raw and uncut like I do it over here. But then you're actually getting to know me, okay? So if y'all want to, y'all go over there and subscribe. I know y'all been asking about, you know, my other channels, and I let y'all know that I did have other channels. So that's the one channel that, yes, I want y'all to visit and, you know, subscribe and just see how I am. You know, you never know. You might like me, you might love me, you might not. I don't know. But I hope y'all enjoy those videos on that channel. And of course, I know y'all enjoy my content over here. So yeah, you guys, we're gonna get to this next delivery and leave all that negative energy behind, y'all, and we're gonna stay positive, think positive, and make this day great and every other day going forward, y'all. We can't let nobody stop this grind. It don't matter what they trying to do, because obviously they're haters. They probably hate their life they're living or whatever they making or whatever they doing. But we're not gonna let the haters stop us. We're not gonna let the haters stop us. And y'all know what? If y'all done listen to me ramble along this long, because I've picked up an order, dropped the order off, now on another one, about to get ready to pick up another order. Now I'm just rambling along, y'all. But if y'all done listen to me ramble along this time, we finna really make the haters mad, y'all. So this what I'm gonna do. And y'all, this just me, okay? I'm always the giving nice person. It don't matter. You know what I'm saying? This just me, all right? So, POV fam, right now, let me let y'all know this. When we get to 1,000 subscribers, you guys, when I get to 1,000 subscribers, I am going to give away $100 cash. You ain't gotta do nothing but hit that subscribe button and turn on them post notifications. That's all you gotta do, and watch my videos. That is totally free. That subscribe button is absolutely free, okay? That's it. That's all you gotta do. Make sure them post notifications on, because y'all don't want to miss these videos or when I do this giveaway, because I'm giving away $100 when I reach 1,000 subscribers, you guys. And that's what I'm gonna do for my fam, for y'all, for us reaching a goal of 1,000 subscribers, you guys. Let's go. Now we finna go and pick up this Dunkin' Donut, y'all. All right, guys, I done talked us to Dunkin' Donut. Let's go in here and pick up this order. All right, here you go. Surprise. Hey, how you doing? Let's see, Chanteria. Yeah, this is right. Excuse me. This all for this DoorDash order?
Can I see the name?
Chanteria. That's everything?
Hold on, let me find the receipt.
Okay, guys.
So you can make a hash browns, hard over, and some chips. That's everything.
Huh? Everything in here?
Everything.
Okay. All right, guys. Let's seal up this bag.
Do you want me to tape it up?
Yeah. That's what I was about to do. Normal. I just like for it to be taped. All right, thank you so much. All right, guys, let's confirm and deliver. All right, guys, let's go and deliver this Dunkin' Donut. They want me to hand it to them? No problem. Lock my doors, guys. So, you guys, update on Panera Bread. So, I called. Okay, that's not the elevator, so it's this way. He's over there sleeping. So I called Panera Bread. Y'all know the one I've been updating y'all on. To, you know, get the district manager's number or, you know, whatever like that. So when I called them, my name probably showed up on the call ID. 9 times out of 10, it probably did. But you guys, when I called, the girl gave the phone to the district manager. Well, to the general manager with I do, you know how her voice sounds. And she was like, oh, thanks for calling Panera Bread. This is Haley. Oh, so now I know her name. Her name is Haley, you guys. Yeah, that's her name. So good thing that I did get her name, because honestly, y'all, I need her name. Yeah, hopefully this room is down here. 324. It's right over here. Let's hand it to him. You're welcome. You have a great one. All right, guys, let's complete and confirm. Let's go to the next one. All right, guys, we're at Cracker Barrel, which was right around the corner, less than a minute away from my drop-off location was. So let's go in here and pick up this order, you guys. Hopefully we don't get copyright, because yeah, they do play a lot of music in this place. So let's see, is this order ready? And let's, okay, seems like it's ready. Yeah, for Jamie. Yeah, Jamie right here. And they don't have a drink, so. All right, thank you. Let's confirm, you guys, and deliver. All right, guys, let's go hand this order to them. 101 Nash Dermatology.
I'm just under you and no application. And you gotta get your medicine though. So what you gotta take, like, she had to take like 5 pills.
Yeah. All right, thank
She
you.
had like 5 pills a day. I'm like,
Let's complete this delivery, you guys, and yeah, go to the next one. POV fam, we're at Chick-fil-A, you guys. It's a wonderful day to have Chick-fil-A. You guys, we're at a great pace today. It's beautiful outside. The sun is not shining. It's cloudy, of course, but guess what, y'all? Yes, it's gonna storm today. Again. It's going to storm, y'all. But, hey, I don't know. Let it storm.
hey, I ain't seen you in a minute.
Hey, how you doing?
You got dog.
Tony.
It's not ready. I just got his one. I'm gonna go check him.
All right. right, thank you.
See you back in a little bit.
Yeah, it haven't really been busy. Yeah. I mean, you know.
Not even on lunch for you?
Yeah, on lunch. But sometimes, like down in this area, like when the students and stuff leave, it don't be.
Do you be going to Opelika?
Yeah, I got over like. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that'd be more.
Yeah, this area do too though. It's just it ain't like it
Do you
was.
live here or in Opelika?
I stay down here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's why you be trying to stick around for real.
But you know, I used to stay out like my folks stay out like too.
Okay.
So.
You do look familiar.
Just deliver this, you guys. All right, guys, let's take this upstairs. Leave at the door. No problemo. It's all gonna be up there too. Third floor. Well, can't complain, y'all. We getting that workout in. I'm dropping pounds. Oh. I almost fell, y'all. That would have been insane. Yep. Rolling that cut. I almost bust my, y'all know what. Let's go to the next one. Guys, we're back at Chick-fil-A. And she was absolutely right, y'all. She was gonna see me in a minute. Cause that was literally around the corner. So let's go in here and get this order. Hopefully it's ready. We don't have to wait long. See? Alec probably be ready, you guys. Yep. Alec. It didn't take long at all, did it?
It didn't take long. So that being next thing, like, you know, some of them
Yeah, it was
right
around the corner, girl. It's so easy.
But what be getting me is
Let's confirm, you guys.
the DoorDash and the milkshakes.
Alright, guys, let's leave this at the door. Clearly, this was right around the corner. It really was, guys.
For Alec?
Yeah, Alec.
Perfect, thank you.
You have a great one. It's complete. And go to the next one. Alright, guys, we're currently at Chappie's Deli, and hopefully, hey, thank you. Hopefully, our order, I'm fine, is ready.
I'm sorry?
Cameron, D.
It's going to be a few more minutes. They're working on it.
Okay, thank you. Let's wait, you guys. So, you guys, I was actually reading comments. Like I said, once my video is uploaded, you guys, if you comment anything, you could be featured on in my video, you guys. So, check this out, you guys. Now, Tara finessed it. I guess I'm saying it right. But do y'all see what she said about paper and plastic bags in her city? They has a law on plastic banning. Because she mentioned something about the paper bag thing, you guys. Y'all can just read that, you guys. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about that in the comment section. And do they have a banning law on plastic or, you know, anything like that in your city? If so, you guys, list those cities, because that'll let me know where I do not need to move. Because that's insane to even have a plastic. I mean, y'all, I have not read about it or their reasoning behind it, but I just think, you know, personally, that it's like That's just insane. A lot of things are made from plastic, you guys, and just to not have plastic, just, I don't know. Y'all let me know in the comment section. And shout out to you, Tierra, for commenting. And shout out to Red King for commenting also, you guys. It's so funny. But let's continue on to this delivery. All right. Thank you. Let me see, can I tie this up, y'all? Let's see. I think I can. Let's go. All right. All time. Let's get this drink. The straw in that bag. No, I'm talking to them. And confirm. And let's deliver, you guys. All right, guys. Let's leave this at the door. I don't need to see a Ring camera, but I'm gonna leave it here so when they open it, it will not knock it down. Make sure I get the whole picture. They can make sure. All right, let's submit. Completes confirmed. Let's go to the next one, you guys. All right, guys, we're at Chick-fil-A. Y'all know where? In the mall. I bagged up in the handicap part. Yeah, I know a lot of y'all got something to say about me parking in the handicap, but it really doesn't matter when I'm going in and I'm coming out. So until then, let it go, y'all. That's not the purpose of the video. But we're going ahead and get this Chick-fil-A. And hopefully they got it ready so we can come out and we don't get no type of copyright claims, you guys. My day has been going great today, and we're gonna keep it like that. Even though it's supposed to storm, y'all. So I'm gonna get as much footage as I can, as many orders as I can. So yeah, let's get this going. They got this ready. Drinks, and they don't have livery at all. Alright. I'll be back, you guys. So you guys, as always, Chick-fil-A does treat me very well. They're gonna give me a diet lemonade while I wait. Y'all know that's like the favorite here at Chick-fil-A, the lemonade. But I choose diet. It tastes better. Thank you so much. Y'all get y'all a Chick-fil-A lemonade. They're the best in your city. Alright, guys. I got this order. I gotta get it somewhere. DoorDash? Yeah, for Kirby. Gonna have to get it going, guys. So I'm gonna confirm because I'm gonna need my other hand and deliver. All right, guys, let's take this in here. And the one thing about these people, what is that? Endodontic or whatever that is. They always eating good. Take care of them, their workers. Hey, Hey. Thank you. You're welcome. You have a great day.
You too.
That's complete, you guys. Go to the next one. All right, POV fam, we're at Chick-fil-A, you guys. And this is a huge order, so I know I'm gonna have to take a picture of my catering bag, y'all. So Let's get this catering bag out. And if y'all want to know how to get this catering bag, y'all check my description, please. You can't say I ain't give you no free info. Free game, y'all. Free game in the description. And while you're checking the description, if you see that you're not subscribed to this channel and you know you haven't subscribed to my life channel, what are you waiting for? Everything is in the description, guys. Literally everything is in the description. So once you take a picture of that catering bag, okay, now we're ready to go pick up this order, get this money. Y'all already know, one monkey don't stop no show. 33 items and no drinks. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, baby. I don't know what's going on today, you guys, but I think there's something going on. I'm not sure. I'm really not sure. So, let's get this order and go about our business.
Keep in. You got
Sandra.
that girl club for April?
Sandra.
What you got?
Sandra, it's catering. It's a large order.
Okay. Keep in.
I don't think it's ready,
Richard
guys.
H.
So,
Richard, sorry about that whole.
let's wait.
You too, my pleasure.
Hey, guys.
It's a DoorDash.
Yeah.
Got you right here.
My pleasure.
Let me get right here, baby.
Right.
I don't know if you gonna get it.
Yeah, I got it. Long we ain't got no drinks, we good.
Oh, yes. I was like, oh, God, I hope she's not 55 drinks.
All right, you have a good one. All right, guys, let's confirm and deliver. Yes. Okay. All right, you guys, let's pull it down a little bit more so she can get this stuff, y'all. I knew it was her because she came out looking. It's like when you've been dashing for a while, you know the person. It's crazy how, I just can't explain it, but yeah, some of y'all get what I'm saying. But yeah, let's put this food up here. How you doing today?
How are you?
Thank you, thank you. You're welcome. You have a great day. All right, guys, let's complete, confirm. Let's go to the next one. See what we got paid. Let's see, guys. $23. Yep, let's get it. POV fam, we're back at Chick-fil-A. Let's get this order, you guys. We're trying to outpace the storm at this point, y'all. It's super cloudy, as y'all can probably tell through the camera. But it's super cloudy. We got to keep it going. All right. Just a cookie? Man, this is a great pan order, you guys. He just wanted some cookies.
Chandler R. Nikki S.
John G.
Not quite here yet. What's your name?
Nikki.
Here you are. My pleasure. Chandler. Here you go.
Alright, guys, they don't have the cookies ready. Let's Just wait. Yeah, I ain't getting them but cookies. All right, guys, let's confirm and deliver these cookies. All right, guys, let's deliver these cookies. Leave at front desk. I don't know. Let's go ahead and see. Top of stairs. This is 9:10. Leave at the door. Let's go around the front, guys. See exactly what this person is talking about. Okay, guys. Some cookies. The top of the stairs. Yeah. I'll make them walk for these cookies, guys, to be honest. But it's a good workout. Okay? I should have made them walk down there for them cookies. Put them right here so when they open the door. All right, let's submit and confirm. Let's go to the next one, you guys.